Welcome. In this video, we will tell you the best tricks to find the best price on Amazon. Before you watch this video, be sure to like it and follow our channel for future updates. For others who are less knowledgeable about such tactics, finding affordable things on Amazon might be a pain. As one of the most popular online shopping destinations in the world, Amazon is well recognized for offering a variety of inexpensive goods that everyone may use, saving them a lot of money. This video offers all the details you need if you want to learn how to use Amazon to obtain inexpensive goods and affordable products. You can find a few inexpensive items on Amazon and benefit from the resulting advantages if you use these suggestions and implement them as directed. Tricks and tips to find the cheapest items on Amazon. Let's start. Amazon Daily Deals. If you weren't aware, Amazon provides everyday specials. The best deals of the day are featured in these offerings, which are accessible every day. Products and items mentioned on the offers page have significant price reductions for a limited period of time, usually 24 hours. Up to 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, and 10% off the original price are available on some products. Visit the Amazon.com website and click the Daily Offers link to get Amazon's daily deals. You can also look at websites run by Amazon affiliates because they frequently feature less expensive products. Amazon Coupon and Promo Codes. This is one of the methods that anyone can search for inexpensive things on Amazon. On qualifying products, these coupons and promo codes can be found on Amazon.com and affiliated websites. Visit the websites to find such codes, or look for offers on other websites like KWS Bargains. Products can be found for as little as $1, and some even have 100% off the original price, so you only spend $0. Amazon Prime. Several advantages comes with an Amazon Prime subscription for Prime members. You are prepared to get the most out of your shopping experience on Amazon stores thanks to low prices, free shipping, free returns, etc. I hope I was able to let you know the basic tricks and tips to shop in Amazon. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.